Mr. Cybertron here with Cybertron Electronics, bringing you a great review. And today, it costs as much as gold. It doesn't smell like mold. It is very bold. I give you the Galaxy Fold 4. Look at this guy. Oh yeah, look at this box. It's an amazing box indeed. I think it's between you and me, so let's see what's inside today. I need a knife. Where is the knife? Oh, yes indeed, I found the knife. Here we go. Here we go indeed. Oh my god, oh, I'm so scared. We will go over the specs very soon. I have to make sure I do this right. Oh yes. Here we go. Let's look at it one more time. Ooh, it costs so much. Freaking gold. Oh, baby. What do we got here? What do we got here? What's this? It's a Samsung. I'm excited. I'm really so excited. Oh, the specs on this guy is insane. 1,000 megabytes of gigs of RAM. The megapixels is 100 megapixels per each phone, and guess how many cameras there are? I think there's 6. I don't know what this is. We're putting it over here. Look at this. Ooh. Oh, there it is. I'll be quiet for some ASMR. Here we go. ASMR. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. Ooh, yeah. I'm gonna shut up now. Oh, sweet baby Jesus. Sweet baby Jesus. Oh, look at that gold. Oh, hee-haw. Hoo-hoo-hoo. Got 3 cameras of awesomeness. I really think it's 50 megapixels on one of them, 12 megapixels on the other, and the other. Oh, here we go. I'm going to be quiet. What am I doing? Oh my God. I don't know what I'm doing. I really don't know. Oh no. Oh no. I don't know what to do. Oh my God. It's killing me. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh my God. Oh, sweet baby Jesus. Oh, yes. Oh. Put that right over here. Yes. Look at that. Whew. Oh my God. This is amazing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cameras to look at my pretty face indeed. Oh, let's do it. Oh my God, I'm so scared. Oh, oh, baby. Holy moly, guacamole, look at that. That felt so great. And the page indeed. Oh my God. Oh, you got to love Samsung. Look at that. It's very great indeed. I got the badge and I'm so happy. Let's open it. Oh, sweet Mary Moses of Augustus. Oh, should I turn it on, folks? I think I will turn it on. No, I will not turn it on. There's no battery. Oh, that's so... Oh, there is a battery. Holy moly, guacamole. I'm in love. I never thought I'd be in love. Holy moly. Oh, yes. It's Verizon, baby. Oh, yes. No, how dare you think such of a thing, you little shit? Oh, I cussed. No, no. Oh, baby. Ooh, 40%. Oh, yeah. This is sponsored by Cybertron Electronics. We sell used iPhones, Samsung. We sell tablets. We sell smartwatches, Apple Watches. And we also sell a good time. So, reach out at www.cybertron Electronics. And let me repeat that, cybertron-electronics.net. Yes, go to that page, sign up for my newsletter, and contact me. I have what you like, and the price is right. So click that link below and let it flow.